Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2009 Subaru Forester, stock number 7033. This ran from the 2nd 2008 to the 12th 2011. Is an EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 5-speed manual transmission. This is EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory mega tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door 4 dents. Left rear door 1 dent. Left rear 16-inch factory mega tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory mega tyre. Right rear door 2 dents. Right front door 2 dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front 16-inch factory mega tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Instrument cluster.